friends! Today we're going to introduce the Braccio, brand new attachment for the Forno Venetzia wood-fired oven. It's a game changer, making an entire meal from pizza to vegetables in the Forno Venetzia.
For primo piatti or appetizer during apéro, everybody always loves pizza. So we're gonna start the fire and cook a few pizzas to share. Now I'm gonna prep a few gorgeous vegetables along with amazing veal chops that I'm gonna cook using the Braccio Del Forno and the Forno Venetzia wood-fired oven. Installing the Braccio Del Forno is super easy. It's a breeze. We've been using it lots and lots. It's become our favorite tool to use in the wood-fired oven. Using the Braccio del Forno is my new favorite way of cooking meats. It's amazing. It broils as it grills. There's nothing like it. While the meat is resting, remove the grill, install the pan, and this is where we're gonna grill our gorgeous vegetables. And there you go, my friends, an entire meal cooked in your Forno Venetzia wood-fired oven using the brand new Braccio del Forno.